Um, Alan, you need to catch the ball when it's dropping, not at the top of the bounce. Let it drop some more. There you go. That's it. You're starting to flip your wrist up again. Higher follow through.
Yep.
That's better. Better. Low follow through again.